So today we are demonstrating the difference between a Tk202 and Tk302. Here we have a Tk302 set as an ATB printer for printing boarding pass, and here we have a Tk202 set as a BTP printer. Both printers are combo. It means that this model is exactly the same like this in terms of shape and overall dimension, but through firmware can be used as a boarding pass or as a BTP printer. What are the main difference between these two printers? 302 has an Ethernet interface as well on the top of USB and serial. Tk202 has only serial and USB, no Ethernet. It's available as option, but standard has no Ethernet. The main difference is the auto cutter, only available on the 302. Tk202 has a practical tear-off device. I'm going to demonstrate the difference. So, I'm printing a boarding pass on 302, and you see that the auto cutter is chopping or cutting the paper at the perforation or at the black mark. So, you would require a practical tray, which is available as option. No tool required for mounting, just need to unscrew the rubber feet and feet underneath. Of course, it's taking a little bit of space in the front. You would consider something like 1 inch more than an ATB paper. Or if you have a desk that is deep, the paper would fall on the desk. This tray works with ATB paper only. It cannot work with a back tag because it's too long. So for back tag, what airports usually do is to use the Tk202 instead. Let me demonstrate the Tk202. Whenever you print a back tag, which is pretty long, the back tag will hang on the printer, waiting for the agent to tear. The practical tear-off bar works in this direction or upward, no problem. Rightward or leftward, again, no problem. With back tag, when there is glue associated, we prefer not to cut. But, as I said, you can use the cutter of the Tk302 for cutting the back tag. Just be aware that the paper, in this case the back tag, will fall down after you cut. Vice versa, you can use the Tk202 as a boarding pass printer, and you will have an ATB paper that will be hanging from here, and it will be very easily to separate through the perforation. I think these are the main difference. Last but not least, the roll holder is very practical, sturdy and robust. It can be mounted on this printer as well. As I said, the main unit has exactly the same dimension.